Court jong first class judicial magistrate ba DKK misil haka khandai trego naitung araja arpusan kala pelat Jamin ya arngot kibasyakan toplang haka mukadama jingsya penyap uraja Raghuvanshi. Kakai pot kubor ki ong bau Trai u Lokendra Tomar Singh baru security guard u Balbir Ahirwar jong ka Ïing balari da ka Sonam hadien ke jing penyap ya uraja kila yo Jamin hadien bakut ke judicial custody men haka khandai trego naitung araja arpusan. Ya ka jingtian bishar haka tega sngi lale lingba ka video conference but kam haswa haka jing ngap bishar haka artre unaitung arja arpsan ka Ïing ka shari ka lapengat judicial custody yo Shillong James na ka banta khat sau sngi layo jing te bau Shillong James uba persang bo Rieh ya kitiar kitar kibadan hapla ka Sonam hadin bagla pet sa Uttar Pradesh Wanrah dau Nongïasaid an banda Indore panyasat ban penyo Jamin yu haka jing ngap bishar ban wan Kumban Syukurau bau Vishal Singh Chauhan u Akash Rajput baru Anand Kurmi kibala penyap yau raja kidan hapreng ke judicial custody bakhat sau sngi kumbala rai da ka court men haka lai tarik unaitung araja arpusan. Kadba ka Sonam bat Raj Singh Kushwaharu kidan hapreng ke judicial custody ke bakhat sau sngi na ka rai jong ka court men haka sau tarik unaitung araja arpusan.
On the day of production on 9/7/2025, this two person, that is Lokendra Singh Tomar and Balla Ahirwar, they were granted bail by order dated 9/7/2025 under certain condition. Already it is there in the court record, and for Shillong James, his production is fixed on 16th of this month. On that day they may move bail for Shillong James. So if they move bail, then we'll object for his bail because his involvement is very much there as of now. As per the record, his involvement is very much there. So let them file a bail application, formal bail application before the Honorable Court. Then we'll go according to their petition and we'll give our objection or not to release Mr. Shillong James at this juncture from this instant case.
So Tomar and security guard, are they not involved?
So far their involvement is very less because Lokendra Singh Tomar, he is only the owner of that flat, and this Balla, he is the security guard of that flat. So their involvement is so far now, their involvement we could not find. So if in the later course of investigation we find their involvement is there, then we will pray to the Honorable Court to reject their bail that is there.
The prosecution had argued for not giving
Yes,
bail.
we have argued for not to grant this accused on bail because since the case is serious in nature, then many things has to be come out, and moreover this case is under investigation till now. So our objection was there not to release these two person, that Lokendra Singh Tomar and Mr. Balbinder Singh Ahirwar at this juncture on bail. But court, after hearing the parties, that is the LSC and as well as the state, we represented the state. Court has granted them bail under certain condition. So in the later stage of investigation, if we found that their involvement is very much there, then accordingly we will file a petition before the Honorable Court for rejection of their bail.
So the accused were represented by lawyers or
accused are represented by LSC,
the Legal Aid
Council.
Okay, coming to Shillong James, when is the next production?
His next production is on 16th of this month. So as of now, whether his production will be taken on VC or through physical attendance, that we have to see. As of now, we have got no information. So on the day, we will see.
So Shillong James has engaged an advocate.
Yes, Shillong James, he engaged an advocate who came from Indore. So most probably he may file a formal bail petition on 16th, on the day of his production.
So what about others?
Others, their remand is not yet over. So we'll inform the press if required when they will be produced.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka batau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Wanrah shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya